have to do this for all the animation. So go. So we take a new one. First we take the to none because it's hard when you move to put a collision on it. So now we'll set a new collision. Okay, yeah, sphere collision, and this one will be a head face collision. Face collision, apply save, and we have to attach to the same of this one. And the same of this one, and we take face collision, target, save, and now the collision go on the top, and now we can move it. So first is way too big, and more the face will be more here if we touch the face. Yeah, but it's too big. Very too big. Yeah. Now I think it will be okay. Yeah. Yeah. So save and create a new variable and call it face receive punch. Save, go to face collision, and open and begin overlap. The same, cast to BP motion controller, the same of the other one, and this one this time it will be face. Okay, now it's okay. We go back here, and here we go back to restart all directly and restart face, set face, and we restart the variable directly, and go back to the event graph, set a new branch, and it will be face, get face, and now we just have to copy and paste this one, but just change to receive punch. Set receive punch, boom, and now is ready. Go back to the mesh, put the animation bokeh again. You see it's really attached. When the heads move, all move, the collision moves. I really like it. Okay, save it and go. So now we will see if it works. So this is the other one. Yeah, we also have the, yeah, it's working. Yeah, it's working. Okay, save. And also I want to see if when I do it, if it stay a long time away. Oof. Yeah, you say to go back to this position. Okay, nice. Save. Okay, now you have to do for the other one. So go here, none is better, compile, save. So now we just not take sphere collision, we will take another type of collision, is capsule collision. So yeah, capsule collision, and we said stomach collision, and the same of others attached. Copy and save. But this time it will be not on the head, it will be in spine. So select this bone name, spine, stomach collision, target, save, and we see he just moved it, so we have to arrange this. Boom. Yeah, now it's better, and we have to resize a little bit because it's too big. Here is okay, the radius will be maybe, yeah, 14, and we put back again in this position. And yeah, but it's not really visible, so it's better if it's here. Yeah, here is nice. So the stomach body, and we will put and save, and this one will be body collision, and body collision, and we'll go back to the constructor strip again, the same of this one. Same of this one, but this time is body collision, and now we can compile and it will be the same, in the same, and is here, so we don't need to arrange again, we just have to move it a little bit here and it will be okay. So further save. Okay, and variables, so we have stomach, we category receive bench, we have a new variable is body, receive bench, and now the same here on begin overlap, body same on begin overlap, and just put this, yeah, it's better than the white, yeah, put this here, order, and now input the stomach, set stomach, set body, compile, save, go back to the Berke animation. Yeah, we do this more faster now. New branch, first here the restart all, here Berke character, get Berke character, stomach, set stomach, set body, compile, save, go back to event graph of this, and here take BLK, a new branch is, so if stomach, get stomach, get the stomach, and if it's true, we do all of these, and we change this to stomach repercute set, and true, we put on true, and again branch, and this time it will be target will be body, here no, get body, yeah, get body, and the same. Let's see if branch on, nope, and is hit body reaction set. But save for, go back to BLK, viewport, and BLK anim, compile, save, and now we have to try if it works. Yeah, in body, and we go back more on the left for the stomach. Yeah, it's working. So now we have all, so we have stomach here, we have body here, and we have upper, and we have on head. Yeah, so that's all for today, and see you next week for another video. Cheers.